Good morning, everybody. Okay, good morning, everybody. Let's see our Jamboard. Okay, I have prepared this Jamboard, and another one is siapa ini? I nanti Alamanda Amir Ahmad ya mau. Siapa Arisa? Alamak, I don't know. Nanti kamu tulis
Nur Ain.
Nur Ain. Oh, Nur Ain. Nur Ain. Nur Ain ah. Nur Ain. Nur Ain Atika kah?
Iya.
Oh yeah. Today not bad ah. Alamanda. I saw Alamanda my class ah. Alamanda. Okay. Okay, right now. Come back to this. Okay, I have prepared a bit of revision and we need to do a bit of revision as well. Okay, let's see where. Okay, here. Actually, we have learned this decimal on February 26. Okay, so decimal means perpuluhan. So how to read this number? 1.234. Okay, you have to say each number one by one. Okay, so look at this. Okay, you need still remember this. Okay, I put a dot here. It means that there is a decimal point. So this one is a whole number. It's a 1. Okay, it is 1. And the place value for this digit value of 1 is ones with an S. Okay, with an S. And next, you see 2. Okay, the digit is 2, but the digit value is 0.2. This, okay? Okay, 0.2. And the place value is is tens with THS. Okay, THS represents this place value. Okay, next is 3. The digit value for 3 is 0.03. And the place value is hundreds with THS. And the last one is 4. The digit value of 4 is 0.004. And the place value is thousands with THS. Okay? Okay, next. Okay, we did a bit of revision. This is later teacher will share this slide again for you guys. I think most of you have forgotten. Okay, so you see these tens and these tens are different. Okay, the place value is different. Look at this. This is 50. Okay, this is 0.3. Okay, they are different. Jangan kamu ingat ini dua sama. Same thing happened to hundreds and hundreds. Okay, so this one is 600. Okay, look at this, 600. But this one is 0.02. Okay, they are different. Jangan kamu ingat sama. Okay, how do we get this? Okay, you see, 0.3 is actually 3 over 10. Okay, we call it 3 tenths, THS. Same thing happened to this. 0.02, if you convert it to fraction, it will be over 100. Same thing happened to 0.001. When you convert it to fraction, it will become 1 over 1,000. Okay, but this one is 1,000, 100 tenths. But this one is tenths, hundreds, and thousands. Okay, different. They are different. Okay, maybe teacher show so later I will share this to you. Don't worry. Okay. So next, okay, take out your strategy A paper 1, page 7. Okay, page 7. Okay, look at this. Okay, this is ones. Okay, nothing. So you see, this 1 is not 1. It's actually 1 over 10. Look at this. Page 2. Look at this. You see? 0.3 is actually 3 over 10. So when you look at this, okay, so I want to write something. Okay, maybe I add something. So look at this. This is obviously 0.3, 3 over 10. Okay. Next number is 2. 2 is easy. 2 over, see, look at this, okay? This is 0.02. It's supposed to be 2 over 100. And this one is 1 over 1,000. Okay? You have to apply this into different situation. This is one situation. Ini satu situasi. Ini satu situasi yang lain. Mereka menggunakan konsep yang sama. Okay? Concept, the same concept. So this is 1 over 10. 0.1 is 1 over 10. So your answer should be B or C. Okay, your answer should be B or C. Look at the next one. Okay, this is 1 over 10. This is 9 over 100. This one is 5 over 1,000. Okay, look at this. Which one is the same? C. Okay, by looking at the answer, I know that it is C. So you can put a plus sign here. Okay, but if you don't want to put it, it's okay. Okay, at least you know 0.1 is 1 over 10. 0.09 is 9 over 100. 0.005 is 5 over 1,000. Okay? Okay, next. So the first one is C. Okay, everybody, I want you to turn on your camera. Turn on your camera. I want to see. Okay, I want you to show your book. I want you to show your book. I want you to show your book. Okay? I want you to show your book. I want to see. Okay, Syahizwan, tengok dulu. Syahizwan, tengok dulu. Rapat sikit. Ada langkah kerja kah? Ada langkah kerja kah? Oh, stres sudah Syahizwan. Terus saya nampak ada Anastasia left lagi. Alamak. Say it. I want to see yours. Okay. Kenapa semua tutup kamera? I have langkah kerja, Mimi said. Okay. Siapa lagi? You see, your teacher did her homework as well. So I hope all of you did your homework as well, okay? My student, kenapa kamu semua tutup kamera? Okay, disambung? Okay. Next time, I want you to show your homework on screen first. Okay? You see, Anastasia terus keluar. Susah betul. Okay, next. Diagram 1 shows number 2, okay? We go to number 2. Diagram 1 shows 3 number cards. So I have 3 number cards here. What is the total of the values of digits 3 on the 3 cards? Okay. So this one is, you see, 20. Where is my decimal point? Is at the back. Okay. So the over 3, it means divide by 3. Divide by 100. Okay. 20, you have to move your decimal point 2 times. Okay. To the left. So 1, 2. So your answer is 0.37. Okay. 0.37. This one at 0.37, but I only want 3. So you just select the 3. 3 is 0.3. This one, okay, I want to take out only number 3. So this is 0.003. 0.003. And the last one, I only want to take out the 3. This 3 is different. This is 13.4. 13.4, this is obviously a whole number. Bukan decimal, okay? 3 is 3, okay? Okay, so 3, where is the decimal point if I cannot see it? If I cannot see the decimal point, it means that it is at the back. You look at this number, it's at the back, okay? So this is 3. Okay, I want to add, I want to total all the 3's. So this one is 0.3, okay, 0.3. See, teacher didn't align, okay? Still remember when I say align, okay? Align the decimal point here. So this is 0.003, 0.003. Okay, so all these empty spaces, okay, look at this. Okay, just put another 0, fill in. Or, okay, hold on. Maybe I use a different color to show that, okay, this is what I add on. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, align it. Okay, still remember how to spell my align. Align or alignment. Align yalah susun. Okay, make sure your decimal point is aligned. Okay, so 0, 0, 0 plus 0 plus 3, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 3. So your answer is C. Okay, your answer is C. Okay, next one. This one. Look at this. Times, you look at the answer first. Oh, 1, 10, 100, and 1,000. This should be an easy question for you guys. So you just write 1 first. Okay, maybe the orange color is not clear. Okay, I wrote 1 here. Okay, where is the decimal point? 1. Okay, hold on. Look at this. 0.567 times 1, 10, or 100, or 1,000 becomes this. So you look at this. Okay, how many times should I move it? 1, 2. I move 2 times. So if I move 2 times, I have 2 0. Okay, so it should be 100. So far, number 1, number 2, number 3 is C. Okay, number 1, number 2, number 3 is C. Okay, so far, siapa yang semua betul? 1 to 3, everybody. Do you get correct? Do you get right for it? Okay, I want to see. 1, 2, 3. Just number 1? Virus. Okay, 2 over 3. 2 over 3, why? 1 over 3? Why? 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 Okay, well, they'll say he got 3 over 3. Good. Okay, Hamimi, why you get 1 over 3? Why? Why 2 over 3? Kathleen, where is your mistake, Kathleen? Where is your mistake, Kathleen? Kathleen, where is your mistake? Number 2? Why so careless? Look at number 2. Why so careless? Okay, this kind of question, you shouldn't be careless. Okay, sometimes 6 merah, you want to aim for A. But if you are careless, how to get A? Okay? Okay, I did on number 3. Okay. Okay, Noah Sky. Noah Sky, which question you got it wrong? Okay, which question, Noah? Number 2 as well. Number 2 is one of the easiest question. Okay, one of the easiest question. Okay, so we move on. Okay, we move on. You see, 5,000 more than 6.28. More than means plus. Okay, more than means plus. So I just do this one. Okay, 5,000 here. Look at this. 5,000 is this one, 0.05. Okay, so 0.05, 0.005, okay, is 5 over 1,000. Okay, if you don't remember, okay, 5,000 THS is 5 over 1,000. Where is the decimal point? It's at the back. Over 1,000 is divide by 1,000. So how many zero? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So all these empty spaces, you put 0. So equals to 0.005. Okay. How teacher gets 0.005? It's like this. Okay. So 0.005 more than 6.28. So again, please align your decimal point. Ini ya, yang selalu cikgu panggil ini, align. Okay. Jangan kamu cakap, apa ni? Apa cikgu Yong cakap ni? Align ialah susun. Okay, align. Okay, align, susun, 6.28. So if nothing is here, okay, I just use another color and add it. Okay, so it means that this is I added. Okay, jangan kamu heran, why teacher write 0 here? Okay, so plus 5 plus 0, 5, 8, 2, 6. So your answer is B. Your answer is B. So ingat cakap cikgu, jangan kamu agak-agak actually boleh, tapi jangan kamu tembak sesuka hati. Sometimes when you spend a little bit of time to think about it, you actually can get the answer. Okay, you need to think about it. Kena fikir sekejap. Okay, sometimes you have to process it yourself. So you look at this, divide, number 5, divide 14.6 by 4. Okay, so divide. Obviously, we need to do this format. Okay, 14.6. You see, I put an extra space here. Why? Because you look at this. Here we have 2 decimal places. 2 decimal places. It means that you will have another remainder here. That's why I put it longer. Okay, so you have to go by logic sometimes. Sorry, this is 4. Divide by 4. So this one, okay, if your multiplication table is not perfect, okay, not perfect, you have to write. You have to write your multiplication table. Maybe you write until 5 first, okay, because the number is actually small. Or maybe 6, because you look at here, the biggest number is 6. So maybe by logic, you can do until 6, okay? Sometimes you have to use your logic, okay? So 4, 1, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, okay? You have to go by logic. So next, 14. Okay, so 14, choose the smaller one. 4, 3, 12. 4, 3, 12. 4 minus 2, you get 2. Don't forget your decimal point, okay? Don't forget your decimal point. So put down your 6. Okay, so look at this. 3. It means that C and D automatically out. Okay, so there is no point to look at C and D anymore. So look at this, for 26. So choose the smaller one, 4, 6. So when you get 624, look at this. Okay, look at this. I already know that A is impossible. A is impossible, so the correct answer is B. Okay, so if my student, you have extra time, you want to get the real answer, look at this. 6 minus 4 is 2. So I don't want a remainder, I put a 0. 4 times 5, 20. So you get the same answer. So sometimes, paper 1, kertas 1, asal kamu dapat jawapan sudah, if you don't want to continue, you can. Okay, if you don't want to continue, I know the answer already, 3.6. I know that the answer is B because there is no more option left. Okay, I cut. Okay, so this is one of the techniques. Okay, you have a lot of techniques in mathematics. Okay, this is one of the techniques. So number 4 and number 5, can I ask, siapa yang semua betul? Siapa yang semua betul? Dua-dua ini betul. Okay, 5 and 6. Okay, Noel say he got it correct. Well, Del correct. Vanessa correct. Evan correct. Okay. What else? Oh, Nur Alia correct. Hamimi okay. Justin okay. Who's this? Okay. Anik. Okay, very good. Alicia, okay. Sonia, okay. Stephen, okay. Okay, so this is what I want. Okay, when you solve problem, this is how you solve problem. Okay, so these are very direct problem. Jangan salah soalan begini. Okay, cikgu ulang balik soalan begini jangan buat careless mistake. Okay, this is a very easy question. Okay, can I move on to another question? Putri Vivian pun semua betul. Very good. Okay, so next, number 6 and 7. Okay, so this one, same thing. I want to advise you again and again, align. Okay, align your decimal point. Look at this, 50. There is no decimal point here. It means that the decimal point is at the back. Okay, so when you have a different operation, this is minus, this is plus. Okay, so you have to do minus first. Okay, minus first. Minus 18.67. Okay, you have to solve this part first. You cannot continue. You cannot put plus anymore because there are two different operations. So you have to solve the minus part first. So remember what I say? Here you put 0, 0. Fill in with 0. Kasih penuh dia. Okay, so right now I continue. When you minus, make sure, okay, you see, you have to regroup this. Ini, 0 cannot minus 7. 0 cannot minus 7. So you have to borrow, okay, here got nothing, here got nothing, you have to borrow from here. So this one will become 4. In between, kalau di tengah-tengah akan jadi 9. And this one, 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 8, 1. 4 minus 1, 3. After you get this answer, then you can continue with this plus sign. So 2.094. Make sure you align, okay? Align. Align the decimal point. Ini decimal point, okay? Align it. Look at this. Nothing is here. Put a 0. So teacher use another color to put a 0 for you. Okay, so right now you can proceed. Sambung. So when you plus is easy. Okay, plus. You just do like what you normally do. 12, 4, 3, 3. Okay, so you get 33.424. Okay, you get the answer already? Next, number 7. Okay, number 7, 15. Divide by 15. Don't worry about this. Okay, if you worry, okay, let's change it to decimal point first. You see, okay, if you are worried, okay, how many 0? 1, 2, 3, 0. Move 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So this is 0.2203. 203. This one, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 0.23. Do you want to put a 0? Actually, no need. Actually, you can cut the 0. No need lah. Okay, so this one, 2, 0, 1, 2. So this one is 2.03. This one is, actually you can cut the 0 first, but it doesn't matter. So this one answer is 2.3. Okay, so right now, you see, when you do this, it's easy. Okay, it's easy. So 30.45 divided by 15. So how many do you want to do? 15 times 1, 2, 3 is enough. Why do teachers say 3 is enough? You see, the biggest number here is 3. So you do until 3 only, no need to do until 9. So 15, 30, 45. Okay, why? Teacher know the answer. Teacher know how to do this. But why teacher want to write the multiplication table? Sometimes to write the multiplication table is easier for me to refer to. Saya terus rujuk ini. Okay, terus rujuk. You want your life to be easier? You have to have this one. Okay, to refer to. Okay, so you see, 15, 30. So 15 times 2, 30. 230. Okay, don't forget your decimal point. Your decimal point. So you see, A is wrong, B is also wrong because you see 2 point. So it's either C or D. Okay, so next, 4. 15 times what equals to 4? 0 is 0. Okay, actually I don't need to continue. I know the answer is C. But if you want to continue, then let's proceed. 15 times 3, 45. Okay, that is how you do paper 1. Okay, if you get used to it, kalau kamu sudah biasa, kamu akan jadi sangat laju. Okay, kalau kamu sudah biasa, kamu akan jadi sangat laju. Okay, next, this one. Look at this, 2 different. Okay, I will give you 2 methods. Okay, method 1. Method ialah cara. Method 1. I want to show you method 1 how teachers solve the problem. So this is 2.4 times 0.16. Divide, it's also over. This one, fraction. Okay, fraction. Okay, so when I see this, I know I can cut because 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. But there is a decimal point here. Same thing, you have to apply. So if nothing is in front, you put a 0. So this is 0.2 times 0.16. Okay, so 2, 6, 12, 2, 1, 2, 3. So how many decimal places? 1, 2, 3. You have to move your decimal point. 1, 2, 3 decimal places. 1, 2, 3. So your answer is 0.032. A. Okay, A. So you see, clone UPSR, it means that UPSR came out a similar question like this before. So this is method 1. This is the fast method. Okay, this is the fast method. If you are not familiar with fraction, so we use method 2. Okay, method 2 is, so times, so we do multiplication first. Okay, 0.1, sorry. 0.16. This one, you no need to align it. Okay, no need to align first. So 6, 4, 24, 6, 2, 12, 14, 24, 4, 8, 3. Okay, how many decimal places? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you get 0.384. After that, they say divide by 12. So divide by 12. Divide by 12. Okay, this one, you have to do your multiplication table. You see, 3 and 2. So you can do up to 3 only. No need to do until n. You see, 3 and 2, 3 and 2 lah. 12, 24, 36. Okay. Okay, so 0, 0. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. 30. Okay, here. 38. We take 38. So 12 times 3, 36. 12 times 2, 24. Okay, so belum siap. Belum siap. Okay, I choose another color. So where did I start? I start from 38. Okay, so here is, we are supposed to write 0 and 0. Okay, don't forget your decimal point. Okay, so your answer is A. So you have two methods. Okay, this is the traditional method. This is the faster method. Okay, so if you are used to it, then you can use method 1. Okay, same thing happened to this. Okay, Cikgu, I want to directly use my method 1. Okay, because it is faster. 3.2 over 10 times 0.6. Okay? So this one, I can just move a decimal place. So, no need, sorry. Okay, 3.2 divided by 10. 3.2 divided by 10. Divide by 10 means you can move your decimal point like this. So you get 0.32. Okay, and then multiply by 0.6. This one, if multiplication, no need to align it. No need to align the decimal point if times. Okay, 6, 2, 12. 6, 3, 18 plus 1, 19. So how many decimal places? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So your answer is 0.192. B. Okay, B. So semua betul kah? Everybody got it correct? Correct kah? Dapat? Dapat betul semua? Dapat betul semua?
Dapat.
Dapat. Betul lah. Jangan kamu tipu-tipu saya. Okay, this one, this two. Okay, you're supposed to get it correct lah, because actually this kind of question is very direct. Okay, direct question. So next, page 5. Okay, look at this. Oh, this is easy. Okay, you see here, 330.5 times 3 over 6 is actually 3 divided by 6. 3 over 6 or something like that. Okay, so here 2 times 1, 2, 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 2, 6. Okay, actually you get 0.5. Okay, so you have a lot of method to solve this problem. Okay, so this one, if times half, it means divide by 2. Okay, divide by 2. So 30.5 divide by 2. 2 times 1, 2. Okay, 2 times 5, 10. Don't forget your decimal point. 2 times 2, 4. I have a remainder. So 2, 5, 10. Put a 0. 2, 5, 10. So your answer is 15.25. A. Your answer is A. Okay. Next, here. Okay, next here. Look at this. This is also easy. Okay, easy. How to solve it? Okay, let's see. What I can cut here is first, okay, first I want to disappear this. I don't want this 0. Okay, so if I don't want this 0, it means that some places have to be divided by 10. So I want to move this here. Okay, so it means that divide by 10 already. So it will become 10.24. 4 and 33.6. I can cut it. 4, 1, 4. 4 times 9, 36. Okay, 4 times 9, 36. But there is a decimal point here. So put a 0. Put a decimal point, put a 0. Okay, so right now I have to do it manually. 10.24 times 0.9. As I said, if multiply, you don't need to align your decimal point. When you do align your decimal point, when you go here, you see, when you have to plus or minus, you have to align. But if multiply and divide, you don't need to align your decimal point. So 9, 4, 36. 9, 2, 18 plus 3, 21. 9, 1, 9. Okay. So how many decimal places? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you get your answer 9.216. Okay. 9.216. Everybody? Boleh? Boleh buat?
Boleh.
Okay. Noel said okay. Okay. Noel said okay. Okay, we continue. Next. Number 6 here. Oh, same thing. Okay. Same thing. You see, the number is harder right now. So if you don't want to, if you don't know how to simplify this, okay, let's do the manual way. 2.616 times 0.4. Do the manual way. Don't risk your mark. Okay, 4, 6, 24. 4, 1, 4 plus 2, 6. 4, 2, 8. How many decimal places? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 0.864 divided by 0.3. Okay, do the manual way. Buat satu per satu. Divide by 0.3. Remember, this one, okay, this is a special case. You have to change it to whole number. Change it to whole number. How to change it? Multiply everything by 10. So move 1 decimal point. So you get 3. Okay. If you move 1 decimal point, here, same thing. Move 1 decimal point. So your decimal point will become here. Okay. So we can continue this. Okay. 3, so that we can use multiplication table of 3. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I guess so. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Why do I do my multiplication table? I want to refer it. Okay. So actually I have to do until 8. But let's see. 3 times 2, 6. Okay. So you see, your first answer is actually 2 point something. 2 point something, I already know this, the answer is C. Because there is no 2 point something here. You see, this is 28.8. So this is not the correct answer, not the correct answer, not the correct answer. So actually, if you do until here, you get the answer, you don't need to continue. But if you want to continue, okay, no problem. So 18, 21, 24. So 2 times 8, 24. 2 times 8, 24. So you get the same answer. Okay, so these are the perks of doing paper 1. Okay, kenapa kertas 1 senang? Sebab kamu boleh pilih-pilih jawapan. Okay, ada pilihan jawapan. Kalau kamu nampak begini sudah, you actually get the answer C. So if you want to continue, you can. But if you don't have the time, you can just, when you get the answer halfway, you can just circle it like teacher just now. Okay, so 13, same thing. Okay, if you cannot cut, if this is so difficult for you to cut, okay, we do the manual way. Do the manual way, which is here. Tidak salah, okay? As long as you get the answer. So kamu kena banyak sabar. Okay, banyak sabar. 8, 5, 40. 8, 2, 16. Plus 4, 20. 8, 1, 8 plus 2, 10. 8, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 8. Okay, how many decimal places? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then divide by 18. 81 divided by 18. Okay, why teacher didn't put 0.000? Because there is no value here. Tiada value, 0.000, tiada value. Okay, so next one. You see, I put a long line here because I expect that there is a remainder. Okay, I expect that there is a remainder. And this one, if I go by logic, it will be 4 first. Okay, but let's see. You have to do this. You have to do your multiplication table. Tidak boleh malas. 18 times 1, 18. 36. And then 48. And then 52. Correct or not? 48. 1832. 72 lah. Okay, 72. 324, 54. Okay, hold on. There is a mistake here. Okay, you see nobody has the gut to tell teacher, teacher, your multiplication table is wrong. Okay, ada orang kasih tahu saya? Let's see. Nobody actually say anything. So if teacher got it wrong, nobody want to say anything. Okay, you're supposed to say something because you did it as well. Okay, so you can argue with teacher. Teacher, your multiplication table is wrong. So it means that most of you didn't do your multiplication table, is it? Adakah? Ada kamu buat? Hello? Ada kamu buat multiplication table of 18? Huh? No?
No.
Why? Okay, Vanessa says she did, but did you realize that teacher did a small mistake there? Some of them. Wow. Why? Okay, you should have done it, and then you should tell teacher. Okay, you should tell teacher, teacher, your multiplication table is wrong. Okay, rather than teacher proceeded doing mistake. Okay, so you see, 81. Why I do until 4? Actually, I have to do until 5. Because you see, all the number we have 4 and 5, it means that you have to do until 5. 5, 8, 40, 90. Okay, you're supposed to have this. Don't tell teacher, cikgu salah, biar sajalah. Mungkin saya yang salah. You can actually argue with teacher. You can just pause teacher. You can turn on your microphone, or you can write here. Okay, tell teacher. Okay, tell teacher. Teacher, you did a mistake here. Then I know that. Oh, okay. You are in front of your Google Meet. Because sometimes I see most of you maybe are still in bed. Jangan don't do that. Okay, next. So 4, 72. So cannot, then you have to borrow. So you get 9. Okay, 9. Oh, I know the answer already. Okay, this is my remainder. If I don't want remainder, okay, continue with different color. I put a decimal point, I put a 0. So you see, 5. 4.5. 90. Okay, 4.5. So this one actually is easier. Jangan kamu susah-susah. Okay, next. I have to be fast because we have 10 more minutes. So I'll be fast. You see, multiply by 16, divide by 20. Okay, so if my student, you cannot do, then let's use Excel. Okay, let's use Excel. I'll teach you a bit of Excel here and there. Okay, because later if we do Scratch, we do need, if you want to do multiplication or division, you still need to do this. Okay, so you see, example, 4.85. Okay, 4.85 multiply by 16. Teacher don't have any more time, so teacher do this. Okay, you see, equal sign, B3 times C3. It means that this is the coordinate of the column. So I get 77.6. Okay, so 44.85 times 16, you can actually get 77.6. Because you told me that you did your multiplication and you did your calculation, then you're supposed to get 77.6. So 77.6, you see, divide by 20. Divide by 20. Okay, because we don't have any more time. Okay, so equal sign, this column, divide by 20. Okay, 3.88. 3.88. So you get, your answer is D. Okay. Later, when you do your calculation, please do your calculation properly because we don't have much time. Okay, that's why teacher have to show you by this method. Okay, but this method, you cannot do it. Okay, why? Because you have the time, you have the book, you have to do it yourself. Okay, I want to see the calculation in like this. I want to see your calculation like this. Okay. This one, I use an Excel file. Okay, so this one, divide the product. What does it mean by product of this one? This one, product of 4 and 20.55, it means that they multiply. Okay, and then divide this answer by 12. So, okay. Since your teacher is lazy, okay, so I just change this and then divide by 12. You see the pattern are the same. Okay, so 4 times 20.55, you are supposed to get 82.2. Okay, I have to skip because if not, we are taking too much time. We have 9 more minutes. And then 82.2 divided by 20, you actually get 6.85. Okay, so 6.85, answer is B. Okay, so this is, you're supposed to do this. Ini, jangan buat langkah kerja begini. Ini cikgu yang tolong kamu. Okay, these are the mathematical sentence. We call this mathematical sentence. This is not calculation. Okay, calculation is like this. Okay, these are calculation. These are calculation. These are not calculation. These are mathematical sentence. Okay, we are going to proceed. The next one, 16. Divide 30.5 kg by 0.8. So you have to solve this problem first. 0.08. Okay, same thing. Okay, so if teacher have to be fast. Okay, so I have to do this. So equal sign, this one, divide. Divide means a stroke here. Okay, so 38.125. But you haven't finished because there is a second part. Multiply the quotient. This is the quotient. This is the quotient by 2.2. So 38.125 times 2.2. Okay, I put the 2.2 here. Okay, then equal sign times 2.2. Okay, so 83.875. 83.875. Here, C is your answer. I heard somebody wrote something. Playing now, please, Hamimi, come back to this. Please don't do that. Don't chat here. Okay, I off the chat first. Okay. Okay, next, 17. Bear with me, we have a few more questions. Okay. Multiply P with Q. Okay, so P and then multiply with Q and then divide by 5. Okay, so this one, 1.5. Find the difference first. 3.0 minus 1.5. So you get 1.5. Correct or not? Okay, so plus 1.5. It means that all of these you have to plus 1.5. So if you plus 1.5, 3 plus 1.5, 3.0 plus 1.5, 4.5. So this one, P, you will get 4.5. This one, 6. Okay, 6 plus 1.5, you get 7.5. So you get 7.5. So you have to multiply them. So P times Q, 4.5 times 7.5. You see P times Q, right? Look at this, okay? P times Q. So you have to replace it with the number. P is actually 4.5, Q is 7.5. Okay, I am in rush of time right now, so I have to do this. Okay, 4.5, 7.5. Okay, I have to multiply them. Okay, I get 33.75. Okay, 33.75. And then divide the product. This is the product. 33.75 divide by 5. Okay. So divide by 5. Sign. Divide by 5. So you get 6.75. So your answer is C. Okay, C. Okay, next, number 18. Okay, later teacher will share this file for you, so don't worry. Okay, so calculate the total volume in liter. This two bottle, or one bottle of P, two bottle of Q. Okay, so this one is actually easy. You see, this one, convert it to decimal. 7/10 is also 7 divided by 10. So this is 0.7. So you want one bottle of P, two bottle of Q. So one bottle of P and then two bottle of Q. You must align the decimal point. Align the decimal point when you plus and minus. Align the decimal point when you plus and minus. Okay. You see, one bottle of P, one bottle of Q. But look at the question. The question wants two bottles. So you have to write two bottles. So one bottle, 2.05, two bottles. Okay. So right now, there is nothing here. So put a 0. Okay. So right now, okay, you can plus 5 plus 5, 10, 8, And don't forget the decimal point, or 4.80. Okay, this is one of the easiest question, but you look at this. Clone UPSR. Clone UPSR means that this is similar to our UPSR question. Okay, so if you know how to solve this, congratulations. Okay, so next, you look at this, 19. This is KBAT. KBAT means hot question. So it means that this question require you to think about it. Okay, look at 19. Okay, you see, teacher have to turn my own pages. So I hope that you guys turn your own pages as well, okay? Because this is page 9. Okay, the distance ialah jarak, okay, between W and Z. W and Z is 80 kilometer. So it means that from W to Z is 80 kilometer. Okay, so this is my first clue. Second clue, the distance between X and Y. X and Y is 2.65 more than the distance between W and X. Calculate. Namga. Hello. Anybody can tell me? Ngam kah cikgu punya pemikiran ini? Betul kah? Hello? Dodge Balansky. Kasih tahu cikgu. Betul kah? Jangan main dulu. Dodge Balansky. Dodge, come back to Earth right now. Tidak tahu. Okay. Come back. Okay. Here. Okay. They see X and Y is 2.65 more than. What did I say about more than? More than, it means you need to add. You need to plus. Okay. You need to plus what? W and X. It means that this is 2.65 kilometer longer than WX. So right now we have to find XY first. XY. Okay. XY, how to find? Okay. To 26.34 plus. Because you look at here. This is more than. You have the plus sign. Okay, 26.34 plus 2.65. So 9,984. It means that the distance XY is 48.99 kilometer. Okay, so right now I want to find YZ. Here, I want to find this. So it means that this 80 kilometer have to minus W to Y. W, X, Y. So I don't want to minus twice. What do? I plus first. Okay. W, X, Y, okay, is 26.34 plus 48.99. Okay, so you get 13, okay, 50, minus, salah. Apa yang salah? You see, nobody have the heart to tell me. You see, 6 merah, 6 kuning, 6 biru, 6 hijau. Nobody has the heart to tell me. Huh? You see, you all are heartless. You see, 2 plus what equals to 4. Wrong, no, teacher is wrong. Nobody has the heart to tell me. Where's your heart? You tell me, where's your heart? Mana your heart? Mana your heart? Hello, where's your heart? Tell me, where's your heart? I thought the message is closed. Okay, I reopened it. You didn't notice it. You see, Noel didn't even notice it. You see, you don't. Where's your heart? You show me where's your heart. Everybody show me where's your heart. Jangan kau tunjuk hati ya. Kau sepatutnya tunjuk jantung tau. Heart is jantung. Hati is liver. Am I right? Am I right? Saya rasa kamu tiada hati perut langsung. Mana hati, mana perut? Kau pandai tunjuk kah? Okay, you see? Nobody has the heart to tell me. So sad. Okay, so 80 point. Okay, align your decimal point. Okay, so how to align it? Okay. So when you minus, you have to be very careful. Okay, very careful. Okay, so I use a different color. Okay, 0 cannot minus 3. You have to regroup it. Okay, take from here, 7. No value. In between, you put 9. Okay, so 10 minus 3, 7, 6. Don't forget your decimal point. And then 4, 2, 24.67. A. Your answer is A. Okay, this is K-Bat question, hot question. A bit, you need to think a little bit. And sometimes you see, just now I did an error here. 2 plus 0 is 4. And nobody has the heart to tell me. Where's your heart? Where's your heart? Close to the lung. Close to the lung. Close to the lung. Okay lah, okay lah. Close to the lung. Okay. Okay, teacher, accept your answer. Next. 11. Okay, 11. Okay. Calculate the total mass in kg of 9 similar packets of sweets. But here, there are 12 packets. Here we have 12 packets, but I only want 9. Here have 12 packets. I only want 9. Okay, I only want 9. So what do we do? Okay, I need to get 1 packet first. It means that 4.2 divided by 12. Because there are 12 packets, I need to divide by 12 to get the mass of 1 packet. Okay, but I don't have time. So later you do your own calculation. Okay, I don't have time. So 4.2 divided by 12, okay, equals to 4.2 divided by 12. Okay, so 0.35. I get 0.35. This is mathematical sentence. Saya ulang balik, ini ialah mathematical sentence, not calculation. You're supposed to do your calculation, okay? So, and after that, 0.35 times 9, because I want 9. I don't want to plus 9 times, okay? So, 0.359, okay? We can actually do this. Fine, okay? Sorry, not divide sign, multiply. So 3.15. Okay, 3.15. Okay, so you see, if you want to plus 9 times, no problem. You see, 0.35, base special values. Okay, if I want to do it 9 times, can. Why cannot? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, if you want to do for 9 times, you actually can do it. Okay, you actually can do it. I put sum of this. Okay, you actually can do it. You see, I get the same answer. When you plus and when you times, I get the same answer. Okay, this is the fastest way lah, if you use Excel. Okay, okay. Okay, next. Bear with me, we have 2 more questions. Okay, before your school holiday and before you do your homework. Okay, 3/4 of the road is painted red. So it means that this part is red. So this is 3/4. Okay, still remember 3/4, I can call it 3/4. Okay, 3/4. Just like when you order your chicken in Kenny Rogers. So if you haven't, so next time, Okay, next time you can eat your Kenny Rogers. You order 3/4. Okay, 3/4 is actually a lot lah. Okay, because you imagine this is the chicken. Okay, you order 3/4. So it means that, wow, so much. How many people can eat? Okay. What is the length in cm of the road is painted red? So, I mean, this 20.5 is actually from here to here, to the end. But only 3/4 here, 3/4 is painted red. So what do we do? What do we do? 3/4 of the road. Of, concept of is multiply 20.5. Okay, 20.5. Do you have to change unit? No need. You see, this is cm. This is also cm. So no need to change the unit. No need to change the unit. Okay, so here. Okay, so if you want to do it manually, please do it manually. Okay, teacher want to see you do it manually. Okay, if teacher is so if out of time, so I have to do this. Okay, so answer is 15.375. 15.375. Okay, so answer is C. Okay, answer is C. So you have to do it manually here. Please do your calculation manually. Okay, calculation manually. Okay, you do it yourself. You do until you get 15.375. So you don't give up. Okay, please don't give up. Okay, the last question, 22. This is hot question. Okay, look at this. Okay, we have 3 juices: apple juice, orange juice, and grape juice. Okay, orange juice is 3 times. So it means that you have to times 3. 1.58 times 3 equals to, okay, 1.58. 1.58 times 3, 4.74. Okay, 4.74. Okay, 4.74. Okay, later you do your calculation here. Okay, I want to see your calculation. And then divide by 2. 4.74, why divided by 2? You look at this, half of the orange, volume of oranges. So half, it means that divide by 2. Divide by 2, you get, actually it's easy. Okay, actually it's easy. 4.74 equals to 4.74 divided by 2. 2.37. 2.37. You get C. Okay, next, 13. Last question already. Wow, last question already. Okay. Any question? Sorry, Kamarina. No question.